In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Boogie Clap in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use Boogie Clap. You will be able to do it by playing as the best friend, and all that you have to do is use the ability here. So you will be able to press 1 if you are on PC. First, if you tap 1, you will be able to highlight the ability and then you can click once, and this is what you should see. If you click once, you will just see this animation, you will perform a clap and switch place with your opponent. Now, if you hold this, there will be a variant. So, if you walk up to any player and you hold it instead of just clicking, what this is going to do instead is this. So you will be able to perform a ground slam and then clap. So you can choose what you want to do by either clicking or holding. Then of course you have the other moves like suplex, obstruction punches, and so on. But for this video, I'm going to be focusing on Boogie Clap. So once again, if I click the Boogie Clap here once instead of holding, I'll just switch places with my opponent. So you can use this strategically. Maybe if you want to be positioned between them or you want to go behind them quickly, it is a nice way to surprise them. And then after you switch places, you can just throw some other attack in. And if you hold Boogie Clap, you will instead get this variant with the ground slam and then the clap. And you will be able to choose between them in the heat of battle. So all that you have to do is highlight Boogie Clap. If you are on mobile, you will be tapping this, and then you either tap the screen once or you click and hold depending on the attack that you want to use. It is useful, and as you saw, there is quite a bit of range for you to switch places with someone else. So if you are playing as the best friend, make sure that you are comfortable with the range on Boogie Clap, and you will be able to use it effectively to switch places with an opponent or to do damage with them by using it and performing the ground slam and clap. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Boogie Clap in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.